Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 4,000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This unit is wired for 220 volt 3-phase. Very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It is remote controlled. There is the remote. This unit is stainless steel. How about that? Very nice condition. Stainless steel construction on the outside frame. Overall dimensions, 43 inches long by 38 inches wide by 60 inches high. Come back around here, turn it on so you can see and hear it go. And the O-scope wave over here. Very slight. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.